Have you ever been food poisoned? Well, imagine it happening to you when you're thousands of kilometers away from home. Would you fear hospitalization? Would you fear Turista? Let me tell you about the symptoms of Turista. Turista, or traveler's tummy, is a severe diarrhea that commonly leads to nausea, fever, vomiting, and abdominal pain. It's an important health concern to travelers worldwide. Every year, more than 100 million travelers visit exotic sunny destinations, out of which 30 to 40% will experience Turista. To add to the frustration of getting Turista, every traveler loses on average 3.5 days of his or her trip and around $1,600. The bill is much higher for a business traveler. So we developed a solution in order to prevent Turista from happening, and we called it Turista Kit. Turista Kit is the first palm-sized medical device that checks for food safety in less than 3 minutes. It will allow its user to save time, money, as well as avoid taking unnecessary medication. How does it work? 3 easy steps. You pick, you click, and you wait for the tick. And afterwards, you're ready to go. We are targeting an untapped market of more than 100 million travelers, and this number is expected to grow by 5% every year. The Turista Kit will be sold in international duty-free airports, as well as global drugstores. The device will be sold for $59, whereas the capsules are single-use and will be sold for $1. Currently, no tangible solutions exist on the market. In 2017, 14 million traveled from Germany, Russia, South Korea to Turkey and Thailand. This is where we will launch our product. Currently, there are no tangible solutions. Dukoral, an oral vaccine, protects in only 30% of the cases, while drugs like Imodium and antibiotics, they actually treat Turista symptoms. They have many side effects, but all these solutions are invasive. Turista Kit is the first non-invasive solution that comes actually pre-Turista. We are a team of 4 highly experienced and passionate professionals coming from different industries with different backgrounds. Together, we have the right synergy to bring Turista Kit over the finish line. Thanks to the support of people that believed in us and to our own savings, we were able to obtain a Swiss patent, a French patent, and also we developed our own specific antibodies. It's the same antibodies that we will use in Turista Kit. We are asking for $250,000 in order to finalize our MVP, to launch, submit the FDA EMA approval, and successfully launch our product on the market by the end of the year. We will be more than happy to answer your questions when you visit our booth. And remember that with Turista Kit, have the guts to eat anywhere.